Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today is Friday. It is July 14th, and we are expecting OneUI 6 Beta 1 to roll out to the S23 series of devices. Probably next week is what we're seeing from Sam Mobile. The next week we will be getting OneUI 6, the first beta, as Beta 4 of Android 14 just released for the Pixels, and really expecting it to be a pretty good beta with some pretty nice new features. So we will be doing a follow-up on this next week. When I install it, I'll be doing a bunch of videos on it and everything here on my Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're interested in getting the beta, you are going to need the Samsung Members app, and you're going to need to be on an unlocked S23 device or a T-Mobile S23 device. And you'll want to check in the Samsung Members app. Let me pull that up real quick. So in the Samsung Members app right here on the top is where the sign up will be. If we scroll over here, we can see there is actually one for the OneUI Watch Beta program, so it's going to be similar to that. There will be one for OneUI 6 for the phones, for the S23 series, and that's where you're going to find it and enroll your device, and then you'll be able to go to Settings and scroll down to Software Update and check for an update right down there, and that will download and install OneUI 6 Beta 1 to your device. And that's where you'll get your software updates for the betas. Like I said, you do need to be on a unlocked or T-Mobile version of the device. The other carriers do not participate in the betas, so you have to have one of those too. Even if your device is network unlocked, it will not work. It has to be a factory unlocked or a T-Mobile device to be able to install the betas. So looking forward to that next week. Expecting it maybe beginning to midweek, and once it does roll out, I will be doing a video installing, and probably do a live stream installing it, and then do a video with the major new features and stuff like that, and how it's performing, and battery life, and all your typical stuff. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.